For over 10 years, I lived with a huge tax debt.
I took $90,000 out of my 401k, but I didn't realize I'd owe the IRS $31,000.
One day I found out the IRS had put a lien on my home saying I owed $35,000.
$79,000. And I had constant fear that the IRS would drain my bank account. And then they did.
When you owe the IRS, it's no joke. It's intimidating, getting constant letters. But I got in touch with Ovation Tax Group.
That's when I turned to Ovation Tax Group.
That's when I called Ovation Tax Group. Ovation treated me with dignity and made me feel like family.
Don't stress. Call Ovation Tax Group.
How did you feel communication was once you hired our firm?
So it was just a thorough work on it, you know, like I never felt like I was kind of like put in the back burner. Like anytime I called her, she was always on top of everything. Every step of the way, they were really thorough about it. Even when there was like a waiting period and like I was like, oh, what's taking so long? There was always a quick phone call, or somebody always responded, always had an answer, and always felt like there was somebody always looking after me and looking on my case.
We're licensed professionals. We want our clients to feel like they're hugged and then they know that they're in our care and we're doing everything for them. And at the end of the day, obviously you must feel like that now because you wrote this beautiful review, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you, Armin. But as there's a waiting period, we want our clients to always know that we're here for them. If you have any questions, we pick up the phone.
I'm happy I was able to handle it with you guys as my first time, you know.
And I'm glad, and I hope it never happens ever again. Not that I don't think you're a nice guy and a good-looking guy, but in all sincerity, you can call and say hello every now, but we don't ever want you to have any tax problems. I want to first thank you for the beautiful review.
I received a notice that said my wages were going to be garnished, and it wasn't like in 30 days. It was like in 10 days.
With me, this is our special.
And I saw you over social media and your advertisement, and I said, well, I need to take a chance. I need help. You know, I'm at the verge of looking towards retirement. Yeah, and the last thing I want to do is to lose all of that, those things that I've built up, you know, a home and pensions and savings.
This mess moving forward in the future. We're going to make sure you don't get back into this trouble. Not that I don't like you, not that you're a beautiful woman, because you are, but I don't want to see you, but I don't want you getting into tax trouble ever again.
Oh, no.
I truly mean that.